this. So right now you see me blow up a balloon. You know why? Because I asked my brother for a challenge and he accepted it. So you guys are going to see that challenge dedicated for President Brother Sony. As you guys remember, we did a challenge a few days ago, and she commented on that to do it with bigger balloons. So
We are doing it. So what are you going to do in this video?
First one to blow 5 and then burst 5 wins.
Okay, so the first one to blow 5 balloons and burst it together wins. So let's see who's going to win.
3, 2, 1, go.
And you should blow full, huh?
What if it blows on my mouth?
More. We need more. You have to blow until it bursts. Come on, blow.
That is big enough.
Blow fast. Blow more.
No, this is the max.
Bharat, you blow more.
Don't burst it on me.
And you have to sit on that and you have to burst, okay?
Yeah.
Sit down.
No, we're doing it with pins.
How to die, bro?
नहीं जिसे पकड़ो और टाई बस्ट करो फटाफट.
I tied mine.
हाँ ओके बस्ट इट.
Where's my pin?
Bro,
नहीं गए. नहीं हाथ में बस्ट करो.
Guys, this is such a completely controlled environment.
ओके वन भरत बैठ के 5 balloons huh? Who will do 5 balloons first?
Or you can just blow it like
5 balloons you have to do. Who will do the 5 balloons first? So Aditya has done 1 balloon. Now Bharat, what are you doing? So Bharat is trying to play a game and he's not bursting it right now. More, burst, blow more. Okay, second one. 5 balloons you have to burst. Look at Bharat. अगर इसको टाई नहीं करेगा तो फिर if you don't tie it, the air is going to come out.
guys, my balloon number 2. What you finally
Bharat, blow burst कर. So that's the second one for Aditya.
I'll help my brother also. This is unfair.
Why you are helping me? So Aditya is doing the third one.
No, you take.
So Aditya helped Bharat to tie. Bharat more, huh?
Actually, cancel the rule of this time.
Just the burst it. So Aditya did 2 balloons right now, and this is the third one. One, Aditya 2. Bharat 2, Aditya 2. Now this is third one.
Come on, bro, time. Come on, bro, time. I got that.
टाइम जरूरी नहीं है ना.
नहीं 5 balloons का चैलेंज है ना ये.
टाई.
टाई जरूरी नहीं है, बस्ट होना चाहिए बस.
But I will time. 15 minutes.
So this is third one for. Actually it is very small. You should blow more until it bursts on your mouth. Start. The video is too long. It's like 5 minutes is already gone, man.
Okay.
So this third balloon for Aditya. Fast Aditya, जल्दी करो. कैमरा के नजदीक आके ब्लो करो ना. बलून बहुत छोटा कर रहा है यार तुम लोग. बलून शुड बी वेरी बिग. हाँ, ओके. सो भरत का कितना हुआ? 3. सो 3 ऑल. आई थिंक आदित्य इज गोइंग टू विन. मोर. हाँ, आदित्य इट्स वेरी स्मॉल. नहीं, इसका 4th है. बट तुम लोग बलून छोटा कर रहे हैं. 5th वाला बहुत बड़ा होना चाहिए. So Aditya 4 and Bharat 3. This one should be very big, huh? Aditya, go near to Bharat. फोर. Bharat 4, Aditya 4. जोर से फूला. इधर नजदीक आके फूला ना. और थोड़ा पीछे. हाँ. नहीं, और बड़ा. और ब्लो मोर. द लास्ट बलून शुड बी वेरी बिग. नहीं, मोर. नहीं, मोर आदित्य. मोर. वी वांट टू सी मोर. भरत यू ऑल्सो मोर. थोड़ा इधर आना. टेढ़ा हो रहा है बहुत उधर जा रहा है. कम दिस साइड. So now this is the 5th balloon. Let's see who blows it first and who is going to burst it, and that person will be the winner. Fast.
This is time.
It's already 7. Bharat, just फोड़ दे जल्दी से. And Aditya lost the game. And इधर उधर किधर जा रहा है? इधर आ.
Oh my lord. No.
So it was a good game, and thank you Uttarakhand blogger Sony for requesting for the big balloon. And next,
so guys, in the next video the balloons are going to be way much bigger. So I really enjoyed this video, and please comment down below what challenge we should do next. Should we go for a bigger balloon, or you can give us your challenge which you've seen before. And to Uttarakhand blogger Sony's channel, my channel Gaming with Aditya Joshi.
Yeah, next
so
time.
guys, in the next video the balloons are going to be way much bigger. Guys, really enjoyed this video, and please comment down below what challenge we should do next. Should we go for a bigger balloon, or you can give us your challenge which you've seen before. Please subscribe to Uttarakhand blogger Sony's channel, my channel Gaming with Aditya Joshi. This is what my mother does after this challenge.
she makes us clean.
She makes us clean all, and she just sits in one position.